This woman sprayed alcohol on her bed and she can't believe what she found at night. Isopropyl alcohol is widely used when cleaning all types of components in the home and in vehicles, as it is very effective in cleaning any surface. In terms of cleanliness, you can clean absolutely everything because besides being superior to conventional cleaning products, is the best type of alcohol that can be found for cleaning surfaces. In this video we will talk of eradication, because sometimes, when you spend time and not clean properly your mattress, we can find some annoying bugs that can sneak into our pillows and mattresses to bite us at any time, and for these sometimes it is not bad to have a good remedy to eradicate hand. Most remedies set forth in this list were unaware because they are so exceptional that never have imagined could work. This is a list of several remedies for common problems with alcohol, a product that absolutely all have at home is used, and that at some time or another have used. However, it sure has not been for these uses. 1. Kill lice. Using alcohol works wonders to remove lice. What you do is fill a spray bottle with a little alcohol. Then add a few drops of lavender oil. Then you'll spray the mixture on the scalp and hair. Be sure to make the exterior treatment. Remove dead lice with a comb. The in-leaves comb soak in the mixture for at least 1 hour. 2. Clean your ears. Although cotton swabs are the most used tool for cleaning the ears, the truth is that they are dangerous because they push earwax deeper into the ear canal. Rubbing alcohol is a much better alternative for this. In a cup mix some white vinegar and alcohol. Then you'll drop a couple of drops in each ear. You can use a cotton swab to do this, removing the wax itself. 3. Get rid of bugs. Bed bugs are a real nuisance, especially because they cause skin irritation and allergies. Luckily, alcohol is all you need to get rid of these pests. Fill a spray bottle with a little alcohol and spray it on your pillows and mattresses. As bugs lay eggs, it is important to repeat several times to get optimal results. 4. Replace the deodorant. Rubbing alcohol is highly effective in killing bacteria that cause bad body odor and can be easily found in every first aid kit. So if you are away from home, and you do not have deodorant, alcohol is all you need. However, do not use it very often, because alcohol can irritate the skin. 5. Remove nail polish. If you want to avoid harsh chemicals that are often found in commercial nail polish remover, use pure alcohol. It may take a little longer to remove nail completely, but will protect your nails. 6. No more ingrown hairs. Ingrown hairs are quite annoying, not only because the skin becomes irritated and red, but the ugly. Applying a little alcohol can significantly relieve skin irritation, leaving skin smooth again. 7. Clear your skin. Most creams for acne contain benzoyl peroxide. However, alcohol provides the same effect due to its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Use this product for disinfection of blackheads and existing acne, and also to soothe the surrounding skin and help prevent acne outbreak. 8. Herpes labialis. Herpes virus is found in the vast majority of the population. If you use 70% alcohol on it, you will accelerate the recovery by the University of Michigan, he says. 9. Hand sanitizer. You can make a very effective sanitizer. You will combine 4 ounces of aloe vera gel, half a tablespoon of isopropyl alcohol and a few drops of tea tree oil. You store the mixture in a stoppered bottle,